In this video, I want to talk about how you can add a new card to Trading 212. Now this is pretty simple guys, but first you want to make sure that you set up and verify your account, otherwise this is not possible to even add a card. So simply do this real quick, and once you've done this, the way that you can add a card or change your current card is to head over to the settings. On your phone this will be at the bottom somewhere. Once you're inside of here, you want to find the settings logo. It should be, if you scroll down a little bit, there should be one called settings. Go to my account, financial details, and inside of here, you will be able to see all of your financial details, such as your card and all of this stuff. So you can simply change it from in here. Otherwise, another option you can do is just find any stock. And when you try to buy or sell it, you should be able to see where it's going to be bought from, which card and stuff. So you can basically do it like that, guys. I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.